What's up, Safemoon holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Safemoon very urgent update of Safemoon, my friends. The 4th June updates you're seeing now at this time in this video. Keep watching this video till the end, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, if you have any type of questions, if you have any questions, any doubt about Safemoon, about any cryptocurrency, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your questions. Now let's see the latest update of Safemoon. What's going on this time in Safemoon? What will be the next move of Safemoon? Let's see, my friends. So friends, if we talk about the latest price of Safemoon this time in the market, so you can see here 0.000004 USD dollar is the latest price of Safemoon. The price at this time is very low. So if you want to invest in a Safemoon, absolutely that's a good time, because now at this time the price is very low, and I'm sure that the price of Safemoon will increase in the future. So that's why please buy now, because at this time the price is very low. On the other side, if you look at the price change occur in the Safemoon, so the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is negative, last 1 week price change is negative, my friends. That means that the previous changes occur in the Safemoon as whole change is negative, except after the last 1 hour. Now from this time, at this time live you're watching, there is the live update of the Safemoon. So now from this time the last 1 hour price change is positive, so from now they start jumping, my friends. So now this means that the price of Safemoon start jumping. Get ready for moon, my friends. My friends, when if they start jumping at this time, so I hope, my friends, they will continue this jump for 2 days, for 1 week, for 1 month, maybe in the future. But I'm sure that they will continue this jump for 1 week. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. What's going on this time in Safemoon? Absolutely, my friends, as I told you that the very pretty fast down occur from previous last day, from previous last 1 week. You can see here that is the last 1 week price chart of the Safemoon. From now in the last 1 hour, only in the last 1 hour the Safemoon start jumping. So that is why I suggest for everyone that it's time to hold, it's time to buy more and more, because now the current price of Safemoon is very low. If you buy at this time Safemoon, so you will get profit, and if you don't buy, so you will get nothing. And you can see here last 1 week pricing is negative 22.1%. Highest price is 0.0005 USD dollar. So I hope, my friends, now the jumping time of Safemoon starts now, so be ready and don't decide to sell. Hold and hold. Remember, a lot of people decide when they see the small fast occur in the cryptocurrencies, so they decide to sell. No, hold. If you hold, you will get profit. If you sell, nothing you will get. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Safemoon? My prediction is 100% positive about Safemoon. I believe that the huge pump of Safemoon are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe maybe Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.